Hello viewers, welcome back to Daily Fun TV. Today, we will talk about the elaborate battle between birds and airplanes. Let's start. Introduction. The skies, once the exclusive domain of birds, have become a battleground where nature and technology clash in a perpetual struggle for dominance. The battle between birds and airplanes is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that has been ongoing since the dawn of aviation. In this video, we will delve into the various aspects of this conflict, examining the reasons behind it, the consequences for both sides, and the efforts made to mitigate the risks associated with it. The origins of conflict. Why birds and airplanes clash. The conflict between birds and airplanes is rooted in the stark differences between these two entities. Birds, the original masters of the skies, have inhabited the heavens for millions of years, evolving to navigate the aerial realm with unparalleled precision. Airplanes, on the other hand, are relatively recent entrants, born from human ingenuity and technological advancement. When these two worlds collide, it is often due to the limitations of our inventions to adapt to the complex dynamics of nature. Birds, driven by instinct and necessity, frequently cross paths with aircraft during their migration patterns or daily routines. The vast network of flight routes crisscrossing the globe has brought them into direct contact with a myriad of airplane species. This interaction has resulted in numerous confrontations, ranging from minor inconveniences to catastrophic incidents. The consequences of conflict. Feathers versus metal. The toll on birds and airplanes. The consequences of the battle between birds and airplanes are significant for both sides. For birds, the outcomes can be dire. Collisions with aircraft often result in fatalities, leading to population declines in certain species. Furthermore, injured birds may struggle to survive in the wild, impacting the ecological balance and biodiversity of their habitats. On the other hand, airplanes also bear the brunt of these encounters. Bird strikes, as they are commonly known, can cause severe damage to aircraft engines, wings, and other critical components. In some cases, these strikes have led to catastrophic crashes, with tragic consequences for passengers and crew. The economic impact is substantial as well, with airlines incurring substantial costs for repairs and downtime following such incidents. Mitigation efforts. Taking flight safety to new heights. Recognizing the seriousness of the issue, aviation authorities and conservationists have collaborated to implement a range of strategies aimed at reducing the frequency and severity of bird-airplane collisions. These efforts have yielded significant results over the years. One of the primary tools used in this battle is the development of advanced radar systems and bird detection technologies. These systems can identify bird flocks in the vicinity of airports and alert air traffic controllers and pilots, enabling them to take evasive action. Similarly, wildlife management teams often use non-lethal means, such as noise cannons and pyrotechnics, to disperse birds from airport areas. Airports have also made changes to their physical infrastructure to discourage bird populations. These include modifications to landscaping and the installation of deterrents like bird netting and spikes. Such measures help reduce the attractiveness of airports as potential bird habitats. Furthermore, extensive research into bird behavior has enabled scientists to predict the timing and routes of migratory birds more accurately. This information allows for better planning of flight schedules and altitudes, reducing the likelihood of encounters. Technological advancements. Birds versus drones. A new chapter in the conflict. As technology continues to advance, the battle between birds and airplanes has expanded into a new arena: drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles, often used for various purposes, have created fresh challenges in terms of bird interactions. Drones, like airplanes, can collide with birds, resulting in damaged equipment and potential ecological disruptions. Efforts are underway to develop drone technologies that can mitigate bird interactions. Some drones are being equipped with collision avoidance systems that use sensors to detect nearby birds and alter their flight paths accordingly. Additionally, researchers are exploring the use of AI and machine learning to predict bird behavior and create algorithms that enable drones to avoid areas with high bird activity. Ecological impacts. The ripple effect on ecosystems. The battle between birds and airplanes extends beyond the immediate consequences for these two entities. It also has far-reaching ecological impacts that affect entire ecosystems. When bird populations decline due to collisions with airplanes, it disrupts the delicate balance of food chains and can lead to overpopulation of certain insects or plants. Conversely, the destruction of habitat caused by airport expansions and other infrastructure development can displace bird populations, further fragmenting their habitats. Conservationists and environmentalists are keenly aware of these broader ecological consequences and advocate for the protection of bird habitats, the reduction of human-made hazards, and the implementation of policies that prioritize the preservation of biodiversity. Conclusion. In the battle between birds and airplanes, the clash between nature and technology continues to evolve. While considerable progress has been made in reducing the frequency and severity of bird-airplane collisions, the challenge remains complex and ongoing. The consequences of this conflict are significant for both birds and airplanes, as well as for the ecosystems they inhabit. Efforts to mitigate these conflicts include technological advancements, changes in airport infrastructure, and improved understanding of bird behavior. Additionally, the emergence of drones as a new player in this battle has prompted innovative solutions to prevent bird interactions in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Ultimately, the battle between birds and airplanes underscores the need for continued cooperation between aviation authorities, conservationists, and the broader public to ensure the safety of both human and avian inhabitants of the skies. As technology advances and our understanding of bird behavior deepens, we can hope to find more effective ways to peacefully coexist in this shared airspace. That's all for today. See you in the next video.